talk a little bit more about FDQM and ERPI. So, financial data quality management is an Oracle product that loads very detailed financial information to target EPM reporting systems. The two big benefits that I see are that it's finance-focused and user-friendly, and it's about process, process, process. What do I mean by process? FDQM lets you translate data the same way every single time. So you can move off of manually maintained spreadsheets and instead to a system that applies the same workflow every time you process data. ERPI is a product that has pre-built adapters which link ERP systems and reporting systems. ERPI comes out of the box with links to PeopleSoft, eBusiness Suite, SAP, and JD Edwards. This pre-built logic allows us to source data with minimal configurations. When you pair these two products together, this allows an organization to source data directly from an underlying ERP system, map that data, and then load it to a target SSAFE, HFM, Hyperion Strategic Finance, or Hyperion Planning application. Another way of looking at this, again, back to versions 11.1.2.1, we have a variety of source systems on the left-hand side: PeopleSoft, eBusiness Suite, JD Edwards, Fusion Applications, SAP, flat files, a database, the broom closet. We pile all that data using pre-built adapters into ERPI and FDQM, transform it, and then have it ready to load in a meaningful way to financial management, FBase, and planning for end-user reporting. A little bit more about FDQM and ERPI. I keep saying these words, so let's explore them a little bit. Extract. We extract data using pre-built adapters that link with source systems. The benefit here, minimal configuration is required, and there's no requirement for custom code. You transform that data using simplified mapping logic. The big benefit here is the logic is finance-friendly, which means finance can own the process. You then load that data using pre-built target adapters. The benefit there, you have one central location for all of your source data. Process. You process financial data the same way every time. That means you utilize the same auditable system to transform your data every time. You also have the benefit of drill back, which means that you get from a target system all the way back to your source. Additionally, this system is finance-focused, which means that finance is going to maintain it. The benefit there, there's a rapid response time and clear visibility into the transformation process. For any technical folks on the call, this tool utilizes an underlying relational database to store all of its information. It's finance-focused, it's finance-maintained, so they're not knocking on your door all the time, but it does require a technical setup. So why do we elect to use FDQM and ERPI for this effort as opposed to a custom ODS, a data warehouse, or an Informatica-based solution? Well, we need to extract data from eBusiness Suite and flat files. So ERPI could do that for us. It came with pre-built adapters. We need to transform the data for both a management P&L and statutory P&L view. FDQM contains the transformation capabilities that we needed. We need to load that data to a series of S-based cubes that we're going to calculate our data before loading everything to one master reporting cube. FDQM has a pre-built target adapter that lets us load to target S-based applications. We needed a process. FDQM offers a repeatable process that treats data the same way every time. The organization wanted visibility into the actual data that was being mapped. Drillback functionality satisfies that. And finally, a key goal of the project was about giving finance the ability to maintain and manage this system. FDQM and ERPI are designed with finance in mind. So we were able to put all of these capabilities within their hands.